Dear heart, dear heart, dear heart, and we made it.
Parang kahapon lamang.
Yes, parang
Kahapon lamang.
parang 15 lang ako.
At parang 14 lang ako.
Ang kapal, mali.
Mas marami pala ako sa'yo. Ano
May
pala?
mga dapat tayong pasalamatan kasi without
Yes.
them, hindi tayo makakapag-concert tour, di ba?
Yes.
They're so important to this performance and all our
And we're
performances
here.
during the whole tour in the US and in Canada. First of all, of course, we want to thank
We're in Westgate.
Las Vegas Resort and Casino. Thank you, Westgate. Such an honor to be performing here. And Music Productions. Thank you so much, Craig Reyes. We love you,
Si
Craig.
Craig Reyes. Kung gusto niyo ng Peking Duck, ito lang, si Craig Reyes.
Ha?
Pagdadala sa kwarto niyo ng Peking Duck. Okay.
Halo-halo. Si Craig yung producer. Si Chris ba? Yung ang layo.
Anyway, siya, maraming salamat sa GMA Pinoy TV for
Yes.
promoting. Yes,
Thank you to my home, the Filipino channel, ABS-CBN, TFC. Sa November 28 po, I hope you have a Prime subscription, yung Amazon Prime po. Please, abangan niyo po, November 28, my latest teleserye with Julia Montes,
Panoodin
Saving
natin yan.
Grace. Yan, it's gonna stream, so mapapanood niyo po sa Prime. And I want to thank my lawyers, Attorney Lourdes Tancinco, and the Lewis Law Group also. Thank you so much to you.
Yes,
Mhm.
I'd also like to thank my lawyer, attorney Alex, who's here tonight. Are you here tonight, Alex? And by the way, napanggit mo si Julia Montes. Di ba, Montes ako?
It's not her real last name.
That's not her name. That's
It's
just her
not.
screen name. Oh.
She's
Tinanong
my
ko nga
baby
siya eh.
girl.
Sabi ko, Montes ka ba? Ay, hindi.
German yun eh.
Yes.
Yung anak kong yun.
Sayang, meron sana akong
Connection,
kamag-anak.
di ba?
Oo.
Anyway, we also
Wala.
want to say a big thank you to Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, always our official
Thank you, Philippine
airline.
Airlines.
Thank
And of
you.
course,
NY.
Nancy Yan.
NY
Yeah.
Entourage Productions, we
For
love
bringing us here.
you. Peachy Mariana for my hair, and Jeffrey Arabin for my, Peachy for my makeup, and Jeffrey Arabin for my hair. Thank you. And our dear heart.
Linde for my makeup and for my hair.
Okay.
Okay, okay na rin yan. Hindi.
And our dear heart team, Andy Anderson, thank you so
Andy,
much. The
okay.
best sound engineer in the world.
Secret
Love it. Naghahanap po yan ng Filipino wife.
Andy, let's put the lights on Andy.
Yes,
alright?
Andy.
Give us some
Napaka-sweet
limelight,
po niya.
alright?
Tsaka malakas ang kita niya.
Sino ang single sa inyo? Ayan o, sino gusto magiging Canadian citizen?
Hindi, gusto na tumira. Ayun lang ang condition. Gusto nang tumira sa Pilipinas. So, babalik kayo.
Kailangan bumalik ka.
But he's such a great guy. I really hope he finds someone that will worthy of him. And my beloved technical director, whenever I'm here in the States and in Canada, Ento Laksamana, I love you so much. And
On drums!
on drums, please welcome the band. Please give them a big hand on drums. Michael Alba, Karel Honasan.
Honasan! Si Honasan, ayan na, anak niya.
Anak
Okay,
ni Rico.
idol ko, ready? On guitar!
Arnie de Guzman. On second keyboard, JD Villanueva.
JD,
And
backup singer.
our special backup singers, Eugene Caila, Sushi Reyes, Yosha Honasan, and my kumare, Olan Isidro. Yan, artista na rin yan si Olan. And of course, our musical director, the one and only Nico Rivera. Hey.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Sa ibabaw ng lahat ng yan, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo, Sharon.
Ako rin, Gabi.
Yes, Concepcion.
Papasalamat ako, Concepcion.
Yes.
Ako si Immaculate.
Yes, you are immaculate in my eyes.
You know, it's the mother of your most beautiful daughter.
Yes, sayang, sayang.
You have many kids.
Lima pa sana.
But the best looking is
Alam mo,
my daughter
lima
because
sa-
she has my blood.
Eh, isa lang naman ang anak natin. Pero kung naglima yan, lahat sila best looking.
Kasalanan mo yan.
Kaya natin mag-basketball team. Volleyball, pwede rin.
Yun ang balak natin, baseball pa nga.
Exactly, dami nun. Kaya mo?
Noon? Naku. Ako ba, immaculate lang eh. Matutulog lang ako eh.
Napapagod niya ako sa'yo.
Huwag kang maingay, secret ko yung sensual
Ay, sorry,
ako.
sorry, baka
Secret
kayo.
yun.
Okay. So next, ano pa sasabihin natin dahil baka
This is a
mag-carry away
special.
tayo.
No, this is a special song from a very special movie that was directed by Laurice Gillian. I loved making this movie with Gabby because we became very good friends in this movie. We would talk about everything and we were close and it was just so happy and comfortable. That I hope that we are back to that and that it will last forever.
Huwag lang masyadong close kasi, meron pa tayong 3 shows. 4. So guys, pasensya na kayo. I'm just being myself kasi ngayon lang talaga kami nagkasama. Pagkakataon na ka. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back Sharon.
Oh, I love this song. Kapwa lumuluha, kapwa nasasaktan, bakit tinitikis pa rin ang isa't isa? Lagi na lamang bang ganito ang buhay natin? Di na matitiis paghihirap ng sana'y nadaramahin ang pag-ihirap ko at sana'y pakinggan ang pakiusap ko hindi ko na hinahangad ang iyaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Maaari bang sana'y patawarin mo? Pagkat tayong dalawa ay isa-isa. Di na matitiis paghihirap ng dibdib. Sana'y nadaramuhin ang paghihirap ko at sana'y pakinggan ang pakiusap ko sa'yo. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang iyaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Maaari bang sana'y patawarin mo ako? Pagkat tayong dalawa ay isa-isa. Hindi ko na hinahangad ang iyaman sa mundo. Pagmamahal mo lang ang tanging hinahanap ko. Maaari bang sana'y
panggabi kasi ako, kaya tonight ito, ang kantang ito. Ganyan namin gagawin ito. Hero lang. Search po ako, baka magkamali ako, pasensya na lang.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. It seems a natural thing to do. Ikaw na.
Tonight, no one's gonna find the world behind us.
When I make love to you. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And hope that deep inside you'll feel it too.
Tonight, our spirits will be climbing to a sky lit up with diamonds.
When I make love to you. Everybody join us. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And that midnight sun is gonna come shining through. What I want most to do is to get close to you tonight. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And soon, this old world will seem brand new.
Tonight, we'll both discover how friends turned into lovers.
When I make love to you. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. Tonight. Thank you so much, everyone. We love you. God bless everyone. And gusto niyo po bang